What's up guys, it's your boy Mr. K back with another video, and today we'll be reviewing the Akg y500 wireless headphones. These headphones are priced between £75 and £128 depending on where you get them from. And just a quick side note, if you guys are interested in my own opinion of the product, is it worth it in 2022? I would recommend sticking around to the end of the video so you could hear that. Nevertheless, let's get started. The first great thing about these headphones is the battery life. The battery life is absolutely amazing. It has 33 hours of battery life, which is already better than most headphones. And this isn't on the lowest volume. This is on pretty much max volume of consistent use without pausing and playing, which is absolutely crazy. Because I'm the type of person to forget about the headphones while they're still on, so it's always draining battery. And when I actually need it, it's not charged. But with these headphones, it still happens sometimes, but not as regular because of the long battery life. The next positive is the fact that it's really comfortable. This is probably because of the cushiony things right here, and it goes right on your ears. It's really soft, really comfortable. Usually I have really bad experiences with on-ear headphones consistently making my ear hurt, but with these it's actually really comfortable and really nice on the ears. It kind of feels like a really high quality pillow. And usually with on-ear headphones I can't go past 2 hours, but with these I was able to go past 5 hours. No more than 5 hours though, because any headphones I just get tired after such a long period of time. But then again, that wasn't because of the comfortability, that was just because the music was getting a little bit annoying. The next positive is talking about the portability now. Although these headphones look really big in my hands now, once you fold them after 1 or 2 folds, it really halves the actual size. And I'm a type of person that carries a lot of stuff. I'm an overpacker. So any chance I get to reduce the space in my bag, I'll greatly take it. Because I end up going to work with a bag that can't even zip properly. People with similar lifestyles to me always having a pack bag, I would say this would be a great addition to your rucksack. And pretty much the final positive of this device is the really high quality build. If you guys can't see, the vast majority of it is metal. It feels very sturdy, very premium. Definitely doesn't feel like a cheap pair of headphones. It definitely feels like one of the higher range headphones out there. It has a nice weight to it, which is also greatly appreciated because it doesn't make it feel cheap and not worth it. Also, the point at the bend, it doesn't feel like it's gonna break. It doesn't feel loose or anything like that. It feels really controllable and really premium. But now it's time for the negatives of this device. Things that I just hated about these headphones. The first thing is something that not everyone may experience, is the fact that there's no bass. I'm someone that loves bass. Every song that I listen to has a decent amount of bass to it. So when I listen to these headphones with absolutely no form of bass at all, I feel like I'm losing out on some of the music. I'm kind of getting robbed because I'm not getting the whole song. It's like I'm missing out on some of the song. So obviously not everyone likes bass heavy music, so this won't affect the vast majority of people, but the minority that actually likes bass music, you will have to look for alternatives with more bass or any at all. And personally, I feel like it kind of ruins the song when it has no bass and it's meant to have bass. It just sounds kind of odd. The next problem I had with this device is the fact that the sound leaks. This is another personal problem that not everyone may see as a problem, but I personally do. If you guys are people that listen to music the vast majority of the time outside, you won't really have a problem. But if you listen to it on the train, bus, any enclosed area, people can hear this like a speaker. Sometimes my friends sing along to songs that are meant to be just going into my ear, but everyone else can hear it. It does get quite embarrassing and quite awkward at times. But this is a usual trait of on-ear headphones. I thought they just may try to reduce it a little bit more than an alternative like the Beats Solo Freeze, for example. But now it's time for the final negative of this device. The final thing that I didn't like is the fact that they slide off my head. It's like I don't get a good grip with these on my head. This may be partly because they're on-ear headphones, but other on-ear headphones I actually do get a good grip and I don't feel like it's gonna wobble every time I put it on. But with these headphones, it doesn't feel secure when it's on my head. No matter what I do, if I'm just walking around, maybe doing a cycle or something like that, it always falls off and tends to just slip off to the back. This may just be my head shape, I may just have an unlucky head shape, or this may be the vast majority of people. But it does get very annoying when I'm just trying to listen to music and it slowly starts slipping off. And just walking is just a very tedious task to do. Although not everyone will experience it, it is something to be aware of. But nevertheless, it's time for the conclusion. In conclusion, I would recommend these headphones. This is because of the absolutely amazing battery life, the build quality and the portability. Although it does have some problems, although the sound does leak and it has no noise cancellation, I can still put up with it because it is a good pair of headphones apart from those things. Nevertheless, it's been your boy Mr. K. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking, subscribing and supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. And yeah, that's it for me. Bye.